I'm the kind of person that tends to get really like puffy eyes when I don't get enough sleep. And I also get really bad migraines. So I came across this face mask, and you can actually use it hot or cold. And it's got these beads inside. And I've used it a couple times and it feels fantastic. So they give you this little bag here, which is nice because, you know, you don't want to just throw this in your freezer with all your foods in there. So I've had it in the freezer. So they say to keep it in there for about at least 2 hours. And of course it has been. I just keep it in there all the time. And you want to make sure that the gel beads are still able to move about, because you don't want it to be like frozen solid, of course. And on this side here, you've got this nice soft material, because you do not want to put that cold right directly on your face. So basically all you do, you have these adjustable straps right here, and then you just, of course, I'm sure I look really funny. I know I look funny because I've seen what I look like. And so these are nice. They have the Velcro, and there's also a really good stretch. So you just put that in like instantly. Oh, it feels so nice on my face. This is a perfect way to relax. You can also put it in the microwave. You'd put it in the microwave no more than 30 seconds, but you want to do 10 to 15 second intervals, and then you'll get that nice warm heat feeling as well. So this is perfect after a really long day at work, a sleepless night, maybe a partying night, whatever it may be. This is a perfect way to help yourself unwind and feel better.